For our first week in lab for testing out paintings on the canvas, I used the chrome yellow, the malachite, and the carbon black charcoal. And we used 3 different binders, which are linseed oil, egg tempera, and acrylic paint. I came to the conclusion for at least chrome yellow that it was acrylic and egg tempera were definitely the best binders, because the linseed oil, when it mixed it through, it just made it too like watercolory, and I didn't like that. And the transition from the palette to canvas on the chrome yellow from acrylic and egg tempera worked really smoothly, and I really like that. As for the malachite, it was tough because the linseed oil made it like a greenish color as well, along with the egg tempera, which when I mixed the two together, all I got was like a greenish yellow, and that wasn't exactly a color I was looking for. However, for the acrylic, on the other hand, the acrylic worked a lot better, even though I had to add a little bit more water. I think it worked out a lot better in the end. During the second day, when we were actually doing our painting, I had painted this. I chose to paint this because I grew up from a beach town, and I thought I wanted to paint something that kind of reminds me of where I'm from. I mixed methylene blue with acrylic. That was like the majority of my painting. After mixing those, it was tough figuring out how much acrylic to add and methylene blue to add within like a separate part of the palette, because some areas, if you notice, will be darker and some will be lighter, and I feel like it was really good. It's still really good in like combining it together. I think the different shades of methylene blue and white, because I used a white to like kind of dap on clouds at the end, make it look like a better effect. And then I noticed that the bottom area was kind of like sand. I messed it up kind of bad, so I took a little bit of the malachite green, the chrome yellow, and a little bit of the black, mixed it with the white acrylic, and that's what I ended up with. I noticed that when the picture was taken for my painting, that the colors showed up a little bit, wasn't like what I was expecting, because I noticed that like the colors the middle part especially turned a bit more purple than I would have liked. I was thinking that when I had the painting, like when it's dried up, I thought the color transitions would be a lot smoother. And I think that's just oil painting, like not oil painting, but like it's like a discoloration. I also noticed there were definitely a lot more unnecessary parts, especially around like over here, that I wasn't too happy of. I was happy with everything, like the clouds and all that, but I feel like I could have looked a bit better overall. Like I think I should have added another layer along with the methylene blue. Even though I didn't end up using that much, I could also have added some malachite. I feel like it would have been nice, but I ended up only using it to make part of it for the sand. And I feel like if it was to be ran under like an XRF, I definitely feel like you'll find, because I had like a lot of different ideas before I settled with the beach. Thank you.